puppy lives a good life, no complaints. He gaily barks and runs, all day he plays. He looks at me with eyes so full of love, as if he means to say, let's play and laugh. At times he rests when he's been nicely fed. On his forepaws he reclines his head. Flies come to bother him, yet in sweet dreams he doesn't want to move, so it seems. Such lazy puppy, staring from below, his half-closed eyes then seem to keenly glow. He widely yawns and moves to scratch his ear, and all the flies instantly disappear.